Ngwataniro cia makanitha ri hamwe na NCCK, Evangelical Churches na Pentecostal ni magite na giikaro gia guthomithio wega mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI ni ataramu a watho.
Our facilitators and trainers are already in the house.
Kuringana na atongoria ya makanitha maugite kuri na kiriga kinene amu ateti nio mahimbirie ndeto ino magitiga muingi utataukirwo iguru rigie riboti ino amu marahujia mugaru na maundu maria maririirio riboti-ini iria yarekereirio Bomas na kugayukania muingi.
NCCK, we look forward for an opportunity for civic education to be conducted so that the common person understands where we are, because this is our country and all of us have a right to understand it. So we look forward to use the structures that have in place so that civic education is ably done in languages that people can understand.
Oho ni mekirire jika maundu mamwe maria marathie na mbere micemano-ini ino ya BBI makiuga umwe wao ni nyimbo iria irahurwo na kuinwo micemano-ini ino iria maugite ni mugaru na witikio wao na ingi yao magakorwo undu uyu ni uramahingiriria nginya gwikuruhanio na micemanio ino.
I heard it's BBI and I saw the president shaking hand with the Honorable Raila Odinga. It was a joy to us all. And we said, this is true, that's good, we need that. But let alone, a few weeks then we had, there's a BBI, it was like hurriedly done, and every politician wanted to be at the front, like this place here, and everybody wanted to dance reggae. So we asked ourselves, where are we as a country, and where are we as a church? I stand to challenge the church today, that we have been so much asleep. We have been so much on the Bible and we don't know about the current affairs.
Governor wa Kiambu James Nyoro ni atugire ikinya riri ria atongoria makanitha akiuga hari bata wa gukuruhania ikundi ta cia atumia oro undu umwe na cia mbeũ njithi niguo nao magie na kanya ga gutaukwo ciĩgie BBI.
Hari nie ni uhoro wa bata muno gukorwo twina atongoria makanitha na gwitikira guka na guthomithio nigetha mamenye ati thina uria twinaguo na nigetha makorwo me part and parcel ya change iria turecirie guka through BBI. Kigomano giki giukite thiku nini tu thutha wa atongoria ya makanitha kwandika mendekithia mao na kuneana mbere ya kamiti iria ina wigiriki wa guthurima mawoni ma muingi. Kameme TV githie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu njitagwo Wajiko wa Wajiko.